Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to unbox a brand new smartwatch. So this is a health tracker and these are some of the function and specification that this smartwatch has. So we have blood pressure, blood oxygen, heart rate, sleep monitor, waterproof, the fatigue measurement, steps pedometer, call alert, distance, sedentary, burned calories, find phone, alarms, and SMS alert. So now for the specification, we have the sensor, HR sensor, display 0.96 inch. We have a 64 kilobyte RAM and 256 kilobyte RAM. It works in 3.6 volts. It weighs 25 grams. It has a lithium battery, 90 milliamp hours. It charges in 1.5 hours, and it has a silicone straps. So in the package is a smart bracelet, one user manual, charging cable, and packaging box. So this smartwatch supports 4.4 Android and above, and iOS 8 and above. So it's for both. It comes in 3 different color: red, black, and green. We have the black one. So the box, we have the watch. Underneath we have a charger. It's a USB charger. And we have the user manual. This smartwatch has silicone bands, very light and very easy to use. In the bottom we have the charging point and we have the sensor. So it's very thin, light. It has a screen with one button. So we take a look and we can see some of the function. So this is the first page. We have training, steps, calories, distance, sleep, heart rate, oxygen, blood measurement, messenger, find your phone, and turn off. So this is very useful. Sport and smart watch. So as I showed you, in the main interface of this smartwatch is going to show you the time, data, steps, battery, and Bluetooth. So you can change this. It has 3 different main interface. Just press and hold for 3 seconds and it's gonna show you other main interfaces to change. So if you want, you can press and hold and this interface is gonna show up. Next we have training. Press and hold for 3 seconds. It's gonna activate the training mode. we have run, walk, hike, and basketball. Long press to go back. Next we have steps, we have burn calories, we have distance, we have sleep monitoring, we have heart rate, blood oxygen, blood measurement, message. So here we can read our message or our notification from our phone after we connect that we're gonna show you in the next video. Here we have find phone. After you connect your watch with your phone, you can find your phone, or in the other side you can find your watch with your phone, and shut down. So here all the option of the watch. Now we can test some of the function, for example heart rate. Let's put the watch on. So after you turn on the heart rate option, it's gonna show the real-time heart rate. Next we have blood oxygen, and now we have to wait to show the percentage of the blood oxygen. So you can see 98%. And next we have the blood pressure. So now it's showing the blood pressure. The result are here. Now it is vibrating, and this is the final result it's giving us. So after you use for a little bit, it's gonna show you the steps or calories you burned. This watch, it will show other option after we connect with our phone, and we will do that in the next video. So to see that, please subscribe our channel and turn the notification on.